Hi everyone, I hope you all are having a really good time. So, today I'm doing something really special. I've been thinking about it for so long. We are today trying the most famous viral TikTok butterfly haircut, and which is famous because of these ponytails and the way we do the sections. You can see right now I'm focusing on the front part. The first step is level the ponytail, and you can see I have really frizzy hair and dry hair which is needed to be trimmed. So I'm cutting all of the dry hair because I'm really tired of that. Wanted something new and fresh look. After cutting, you have to do trimming the way I'm doing it. It's really important to do it. Keep your scissors in the same position which I have aligned. The second step that I'm going to work on is the section on my right side, and you can see it's your left but my right side. I'll split this section into two because these are too much hair to work on. So I'll first, because I'm not using water, so I have to detangle my hair again and again, so I'm using brush often. You can also do this with the wet hair, but I was confident enough that I can do it without it. So you can see how frizzy my hair is, and these are needed to be cut down. So now I am opening the front section, as you can see. So I'm taking a small amount of hair just for this size so that I could cut the other section with this, because I have to measure the length 1 inch further. I have to cut the other section. So I'm taking the front hair, which is the first layer of our hair, and now I'll mix it with the section I'm working on so that I could measure the size. So again, the basic reason of doing this haircut is you can see the dry hair which is damaged enough, and I don't think it is needed to be kept.
जो बाहर roses हैं,
I'll cut 1 inch further the second length so that I can have my second layer.
Roses ही है, but the color
Please
is
don't be
so
in a hurry.
pretty.
Take your proper
तो बस दिल ही आ
time to
गया.
measure the
रोज मेरा
length,
पहला काम यही
because
होता
it
था
also
कि मैं
depends on how you manage
roses
it.
check करूं.
So you
दिल
have
तो
to
करता था कि
use
इनको
your
तोड़ के
brain
ले
properly
जाऊं,
because you
लेकिन
are doing two
लगे हुए
tasks.
भी इतने
I'm
प्यारे
not
लग रहे
fast
थे.
forwarding the video. I want you to understand it properly, like it is, so that it could be really clear to you. That's why I'm doing it slowly and gradually. Also, I don't want to risk my hair, so did you spot the first layer? It is very evident. You can see the one that I have cut. I'm pointing it out so that you can understand this. So 1 inch further we have to cut the second layer very carefully. You can see how I'm keeping the position. Yes, I tilt it. I'm not pressurizing myself. Just ignore my facial expressions. I'm actually really possessive about my hair, so I'm quite focused, not thinking about the video thing. I just want it to be perfect, and I have done it perfectly. The one side is done for the second section. Now we'll turn to the left side. So yes, now we are doing the same thing again. The same thing we did on the right side we'll do on the left. We'll take little bit of hair
मेरा
from the
कज़न
front
उठ गया
layer
और हमने
so
नाश्ता
that we
वास्ता
could
कर
measure
लिया.
the
उसके
size.
बाद हमने सोचा कि हम
And you know what it is.
करीबी मॉल में
You
जाए.
have to
तो
detangle the
इंशाल्लाह in my
hair,
next vlog
keep it
you'll
straight
see
the
मैं
way
vlog मैंने
I'm
पूरा
keeping the
बनाया है
position
मॉल
of
का.
my hair.
एंड हम जा रहे हैं
And you can see
मेसीज
the dry
स्टोर.
damaged hair,
और मेसीज यहाँ
which
का
is need to
लार्जेस्ट
be
स्टोर है
trimmed.
यूएसए का. So you can see the pretty
See,
roads
I'm
of
showing
LA,
you the size,
or
my sample size again
just
and again by
amazing. It was
pointing my
amazing.
finger. So you can understand we have to cut the second layer 1 inch further than the first layer.
बिल्कुल भी रश नहीं है इस स्टेट के अंदर.
Just make sure if you see any extra hair which is not of the same size, then you should cut it so that we could have clarity. Clarity is really important in this haircut, and because of the dry and frizzy damaged hair, my hair were not looking good. So that's why this haircut was needed, because tomorrow is Eid also. So I'm doing it for Eid ul Adha. See, now the tip is that we have to repeat it with the third section as well, as I'm doing, as it is very evident to you. I am using the same technique that I did with the first and second layer, and now the third layer is in the process. As you can see, very focused with the weird facial expressions I'm making. So the third section is done. Now the other side we have to do the same thing. I'm pointing again and again the sample size, which is first and second layer, and now we have to move each layer with further 1 inch further the cut. This is the last one, and bye bye to the frizzy damaged hair. Did you see the V? Yes, it should be equal from both the sides. And now I'm cutting the extra hair for the clear perfect V we could have. Yes, you can see this is extra, not clarity. So doing it on the other side. Just ignore the dry thing of my hair, just ignore the frizziness. You can see the final look, and this is after the blowout. If you like the final results, please guys do comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. You can see this is the curtain bank I did day before yesterday, and this is from the back side, the final results. Please, your feedback really means a lot. Do hit the like button, comment, and tell me what do you think about it. I'm amazed with the results. Thank you for watching.